time, spending time together, it will not be like that. The time will change. But I think everybody will be in my heart, and whenever I would like to meet them and they would like to meet me, I will be available for them. And I hope and I know, I have faith in that they will also be available for me, first thing. And next, I have so many things to do. I can spend time with me also, because for all these years I was working almost 40 years and working as teacher, and before that I was studying. I have never got time for myself, and I have some projects or to do some academic work, some research, for which I have not got time in these 8 years I was principal. It was difficult to find out time for study actually, that I will do, and then we are having some more things with my children to do.
A lot, because you've been there in our NCC farewell as well, the fests as well, and you've been there, like you've been there sitting and not just not just meeting with the guests, but you are there very close to us as well. So whenever we received the trophies, the first thing we thought was to take a picture with you. So all those memories are now, hindsight, they are coming in. So ma'am, now as you're leaving, so what would that one message be from your side to the staff, to teachers, to all the administrators as well, who have worked under you, with you, and who were always there with you, and the students as well?
For students, I always say that they should work honestly and sincerely,
Yes.
because this is the time they can make their career. Whether it is bad or whether it is good, they
Yes.
have to choose. So they should work honestly at this moment. They should study sincerely, and whatever good they can do for themselves, they should do. Teachers should be very sincere and honest for the students, and they should always add in their knowledge.
Yes.
That is really, really needed and required at this moment, because every day new things are coming, and if they will not make additional value in themselves, how can they give knowledge to the student?
Right.
And for administration, my only thing is this: the rules are there to create discipline, that is true, लेकिन रूल्स जो हैं वो लोगों की लाइफ को आसान बनाने के लिए होना चाहिए. उनका इंटरप्रिटेशन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ही कर सकता है. उन रूल्स को हम लोगों को आसान बनाने के लिए, लोगों के लिए जीवन को मुश्किल बनाने के लिए उनका इंटरप्रिटेशन नहीं करना चाहिए. सो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पास ये पावर होती है कि वो लोगों को लाइफ को मुश्किल बना सकते हैं और आसान भी बना सकते हैं. तो इसलिए हमारे को उनके लिए काम करना चाहिए, और अगर वो लोग खुश होंगे तो काम अच्छा ही होगा, एटमॉस्फेयर अच्छा होगा, खुश होंगे लोग. तो हैप्पीनेस की क्लासेस लगाते हैं. तो हमने तो यही कहा है, हमेशा से मैंने ये कहा है कि आई हैव मेड द हैप्पीनेस lifestyle in our college, our institution.
That's true. Now, when I stepped in this college, I heard you speaking for the orientation. The one thing you said is, my doors are always open for you.
Yeah.
And that was true. I have my friends coming to you, I have members in other things, other societies, and every time I hear is that ma'am ne kaam kar diya, ho gaya kaam. So that was always there. And thank you so much ma'am. We are immensely grateful, and we are honored to have
Only
you.
one thing I want to say, कि any post
Yes.
of power it is not for power, it is for responsibility,
Right ma'am.
and we should actually fulfill our responsibility with happiness,
Right.
with happy face. लोग हमारे पास आए
Yes.
तो वो अपनी प्रॉब्लम को, अपने इशू को सॉर्ट आउट करके जाएंगे.
Yes.
प्रॉब्लम है तो सोल्यूशन है.
Right. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was an honor talking to you.
Thank you,
and-
welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.